The WRTYHGVGT Magnet Maker 1000 photo sets is a fascinating machine. It turns your pictures into cool magnets. You can make buttons, too, and even refrigerator magnets. This kit is like a little factory. It gives you over 1000 sets of stuff. That means many creations. Moreover, it includes a cutter. This makes your projects neat and tidy. Therefore, it is a great tool for crafters. Furthermore, this WRTYHGVGT Magnet Maker 1000 photo sets is quite versatile. It's not just for photos. You can use drawings or printouts. Imagine your child's artwork on the fridge. Also, think of personalized gifts. The machine is easy to use. First, cut your image. Then, press it into a magnet. Presto, a unique magnet. It is a simple process. Thus, anyone can enjoy it. Finally, the WRTYHGVGT Magnet Maker 1000 photo sets offers huge value. It includes the maker, the knife, and all those consumables. You get so many magnet bases and cardboard pieces. Consequently, you can start making right away. This machine is a creative playground. It lets your imagination stick. Indeed, it's a worthwhile investment for fun. Pros: strong suction power, picks up fine debris, handles large leaves, easy to assemble, cordless. Convenience: long battery life, lightweight design, washable filters, versatile for pools, spas. Good for quick cleanups. Features: machine type: Photo Magnet Maker, creates 53 by 80 mm magnets, includes button making function, makes refrigerator magnets, comes with a cutter, 1000 plus sets of consumables, includes cardboard magnets. Easy to make magnets, suitable for chip magnets, complete magnet making kit. This is a photo magnet making machine that creates magnets measuring 53 by 80 mm. It can also make buttons and is perfect for creating refrigerator magnets. The kit includes a cutter and over 1000 sets of consumables, along with cardboard magnets, so you have everything you need to start making magnets right away. It's a complete and easy-to-use kit for making various types of magnets, including those for chips. This WRTYHGVGT machine makes photo magnets. It creates buttons and refrigerator magnets. The machine comes with 1000 sets of supplies and a cutter. It has strong suction to pick up both small and large debris. It's easy to put together and is cordless, so you don't need to plug it in. The battery lasts a long time. And the machine is light. It has filters you can wash and works well for quick cleanups in pools and spas.